Good morning, YouTube. Whoa! Oh, yeah. She is sassy today. Actually, this is my second time recording this video. I'm not even gonna lie. I got my Maniology box in. This is a monthly subscription to Maniology. This is called The Manny and Me, and I stinking love it. There's a theme every single month. You get 2 polishes, 2 stamping plates, and a surprise goodie. And I love it. And I want to say it's $30 a month, and it's worth it. This month's theme, I actually got a sneaky peeky on it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this theme, but I didn't really have anything for it, except I do have some gears that I ordered from, I can see it in my head, Charlie's Nail Art. I did get some gears, so the rest of this is just icing on the cake. Icing on the cake. God, cake sounds good. Nope. Okay, Maniology. All right. Let's open this bad boy up. This is what she's looking like. So, it is Maniology and Me. It is steampunk, baby. Whoop, whoop. I have been waiting for this one. So, the 2 colors, it looks like gas lamp, a chocolate brown stamping polish with a gold shimmer. And then we have Clockwork, which is a copper stamping polish with a metallic finish. Now you can use these as a regular gel polish, which we're going to do today. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. And then they have this in here, which it shows what you can do with it. So stinking cute. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. And that's why I have my black nails already done. I'm going to take the shine off of this one. I'm going to take all of it off of this one. Or no, I'm going to take the color off of this one. And then take the color off of these 2. And you'll see. You'll see. Let's just get through this first. So it always comes wrapped up like this. And then we just move the box out the way. And let's take a sneak peek at what we got. Let's see. Okay. So this must be our freebie, which is, if I remember correctly, did they say what it was? I think this is supposed to be like, you rub it on. I can't remember the name of it, but it doesn't say either. Maniology Blaze. It's like a powder and you like rub it on. It's cool. Okay, so this is our nail polish. Okay, it does take me a second. Oh, I'm not breaking a nail today, sister. Okay. Oh, look at that chrome color. She is gorgeous. Oh, you guys, this is going to be so much fun. Okay, and then here's our 2 plates. I'm so excited. And I do have my Maniology book where I keep all of my nail plates in. Stamping plates in. Well, shit. If I can get it. There we go. I don't know about you guys, but it's easier to see when I don't have that blue thing on it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, let me see if I can... Did you guys see how cool that plate is? All those different stamps for a steampunk theme. Like, holy... This one here would be awesome because I do have a gear, a 3D gear. I could put right in the center. Oh, that one's got a skull on it. Do you guys see that? If I'd get my finger out of the way, you probably could, huh? Okay, let's see what this next one is. You guys, if you love doing your own nails and you're thinking about doing stamping, this is a good way to get started. I don't know if I have a code for this, you guys. I have no idea. I'll have to go look. Maybe like some little referral code or something. I don't know. You guys know I don't really keep track of that stuff. Rib cage. But this is a good way because not only are you building up your plates, your plate collection, but you're building up your nail polish collection, which you also know is going to work really well for stamping. And sometimes you actually get the one of these things. Actually, in your first box, you do get one. Is this a Maniology one? I don't think so. But you'll get one of these that says Maniology on it. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. Holy hell. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. So those are the plates. I don't know if I should put it in this video. Oh, this is already 8 minutes long. You guys like short videos. Maybe I'll do a second video showing you know what? I'm just going to go do it and I'll be back and show you what I did. How about that? And that way the video is not very long, but you guys get to see what I'm going to do with this set. I think I'll do that and I'll just show you guys. Okay, BRB. Okay, you guys, so this is what we've got so far. There's that copper color, and that is called Clockwise. Clockwise, clockwork, clockwork. That is a very, very pretty. I'm going to have to redo this one. I think I put too much down. The nail polish, I kept hitting it, you guys. And so I just kept so I'm going to have to redo this one. But this one I used the clock, pocket watch. And that is in this chocolate brown shade. Hold on, I can't see it. Hold on. Where's the card? I'm sure you guys are yelling it out at me right now, but that is Gas Lamp. Yeah, I have to redo this one. It's literally coming apart. I put too much polish on. That was my fault. But that's somewhat going to be the idea. I'm going to go have lunch. I just finished a live with Jennifer over at Jennifer Loves Makeup. We were on her channel. If you would like to go check her out, I will leave her in the description. Go check out her playlist. I did a variation of these colors on my face. Yes, I did. We went with the whole theme. So I'm going to take pictures and then have some lunch and come back and finish my nails. Look for that as a short or something, or I don't know. There's going to be something. So be on the lookout. I'm not done with them, and I'm going to have to redo this one. So, note to self, thin layers. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. All right, y'all. Until next time. See y'all later. Bye.